Hey everybody, we're back again. It's Tom from HID Projectors. This is a Jeep JL OEM LED headlight. Customer took the lights out of their Jeep, mailed them in to us and said, hey, I want you to put in those red devil eyes and I want you to put in the RGBW halos. So what we have to do is cut these open, take out the old halo that's in there, and we replace it with the RGBW. Right now it's set to white, but this one also lets you go in and set it to any other color that you want. So here's red, for example, blue, green, and then you can dial into any other shade. Maybe you want this like light yellow color, or we can get down into different shades of blues or different shades of purples and pinks and yellows and greens and all sorts of cool things. And you could save them all as well. So let's just pick a color. I want to pick maybe like a BMW yellow. And then you decide you want to turn your vehicle off. When you turn it back on, it's going to remember that last setting, so it will automatically revert back to that yellow. Same thing would go if you turned it on white. The red devil eye, that's separate wired entity. That's just going to glow that small projector in the middle, that cool red color. Of course, those are available in any other colors as well. We got them in red, blue, green, amber, and then we can even do color changing just like you're seeing on the halos. So if we turn those off, we go back to the halo stuff. There's a bunch of different built-in functions here where they can go through all these cool show modes, right? So you've got to speed them up, you can slow them down, you can increase, decrease the intensity. There's a ton of cool things. It could even strobe. This one here is going to strobe a little bit. We've got like a wig-wag pattern in here that will do like a red-blue one, so we can speed that up, slow that down. Tons of them in here. You could even have it beat to the music while you're playing your songs, or just about anything else you can imagine. And of course, you can also go back to white, and then you can dim white like I have here, or you can go bright white, or anything in between, right? So I can dim down just using the app. So I'll go real dim, and then I can go boom, full whiteness. And again, you could preset these as well. So lots of cool things you could do in the app. You have a ton of fun with it. We don't change any of the output. It's still 100% plug and play for your low beam and your high beam. You just have to hook up a power supply or switch to 12-volt source for the devil eyes, and then for the Bluetooth controller. So super easy to do for any handy people who are handy or DIYers. You can certainly do that. I'll turn those devil eyes again one more time. Let's go back and pick some cool colors. Maybe we'll do blue and red. So there's a cool setup. The other lights over here too, if you're interested. We've got both set up, ready to go. And yeah, they're going to be a really slick setup for this customer. So if you're interested in something like this, head over to HIDprojectors.com. Let's set something up for you. And let's build you something unique. Let's build you something cool. Let's build you something that performs great. So if you love the way that the OEM LED headlights perform, you just wish you had a little more personality, then that's why we're here. We even sell kits if you want to do this stuff yourself. 716-662-3479, or just shoot me an email, tom@HIDprojectors.com, and I'll work with you directly to make sure you get exactly what you need so your ride can be as cool and unique as you are. Have a great day, guys.